Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. In this video, we will clearly explain all the latest rules and regulations for TTD room booking at Tirumala and Tirupati in online for the year 2026. We will also cover important eligibility conditions, darshan ticket requirements, check-in rules, extension and cancellation policies, and common mistakes devotees should avoid. To book TTD rooms online, whether at Tirumala or Tirupati, a Tirumala darshan ticket is mandatory. Without darshan tickets, TTD rooms cannot be booked online. At least two darshan tickets must be booked together at the same time using the same mobile number login. Only then, book accommodation link will be enabled under your darshan ticket. If only one darshan ticket is booked using a mobile number login, the book accommodation option will not be enabled and it will not be possible to book rooms online. TTD does not provide rooms for single persons either through online booking or offline booking at both Tirupati and Tirumala. With one darshan ticket, a room can be booked either in Tirupati or in Tirumala but not in both locations. Each darshan ticket is eligible for only one room at a single location. Using one mobile number login, only one room can be booked either at Tirumala or Tirupati. Even if multiple darshan tickets are booked with the same mobile number login, only one room booking is allowed per mobile number login. Darshan tickets are not required for booking rooms online at Tiruchanur Tolapa Gardens, Talakona and Ontimita. If you are planning for Tirumala Darshan, it is generally recommended to book accommodation at Tirupati, Tirumala or Tiruchanur Tolapa Gardens as these locations offer convenient travel for Darshan. Devotees who plan to stay one day in Tirupati and one day in Tirumala can book a room at Tirumala using a darshan ticket through online booking for one day. For another day, they can book rooms at Tiruchanu Tolapa Gardens online without darshan tickets by using a different mobile number login. However, it is important to remember that only a limited number of rooms are available at Tiruchanu Tolapa Gardens and they get booked very quickly. If you are planning to visit Talakona waterfall and the Lord Shiva temple there, you may book rooms at Talakona. This location is situated approximately 60 kilometers from Tirupati. If you are planning to visit Ontimita Lord Rama temple, you may book rooms at Ontimita. This temple town is located around 120 kilometers from Tirupati. For devotees looking for TTD accommodation near the Tirupati bus stand, Srinivasam guest house and Madhavam guest houses are among the best options. Both guest houses are located next to each other within the same premises very close to the bus stand. For devotees who prefer staying near Tirupati railway station, Vishnu Nivasam guest house is a highly convenient choice. This guest house is located very close to the railway station. Rooms at Vishnu Nivasam can be booked through both online and offline booking methods. However, rooms at Srinivasam Guest House, Madhavam Guest House, and Tiruchanu Tolapa Gardens can be booked only through online booking as no offline booking facility is available at these locations. Most importantly, rooms cancelled by devotees through online booking will not be made available again for online booking. Instead, those cancelled rooms will be allocated for offline booking. You can book rooms online only if you have one of these darshan tickets. Shrivari Ajita Seva, Virtual Ajita Seva, Anga Pradakshanam, Senior Citizens and Physically Challenged People Darshan, and 300 rupees special entry darshan. You can book rooms online using an electronic lucky dip ticket if two people are selected together from the same mobile number login. Darshan tickets that cannot be used for online room booking are 200 rupees Tiruchanur special entry darshan, TTD local temple Arjita Seva tickets, and Srinivasa Divya Anugraha Homam ticket. If you have any of these three tickets and need accommodation in Tirumala or Tirupati, you must book rooms offline at the respective locations. Accommodation for Shrivani Trust VIP break darshan tickets must be booked at the same time when you book your darshan ticket. For all other darshan tickets, rooms cannot be booked immediately after completing ticket booking. Regardless of which ticket you have booked, except Shrivani Trust VIP break darshan tickets, rooms can only be booked when the TTD general accommodation booking opens. When the general accommodation booking opens, you must log in using the same mobile number that was used to book your darshan ticket. It is highly recommended to log in at least 5 minutes before the room booking opens. For better chances of securing a room, make sure to log in on both the TTD app and the TTD website in one or two devices. Once the booking opens, Click on the accommodation icon available under the Pilgrim Facilities icon. Alternatively, you can click on the Please click here link shown next to the accommodation notification. This link appears below the latest updates section on the TTD website homepage. After clicking, you will be placed into a virtual queue. If you log in on one or more devices using the same mobile number, you must close the devices that show a longer waiting time. You should proceed with booking on the device that shows less waiting time and close all other devices. Otherwise, an error stating multiple login with the same mobile number may appear. However, if you log in using different mobile numbers on different devices, there will be no issue. Please wait until the timer reaches 0. As soon as the timer ends, agree to the terms and conditions, then click the continue button. The calendar for the respective booking month will then open. At the top of the page, you will see the select location option with 5 choices. Tirumala exclusively for ticket holders, Tirupati exclusively for ticket holders, Tirupati, Talakona and Vantimita. If you are booking a room without a darshan ticket at Tirupati, Talakona or Vantimita, room availability will be shown for all dates in the entire month. If you are booking accommodation in Tirupati without a darshan ticket, select the location labeled simply as Tirupati. The system will then display only rooms at Tirishanur Tulapa Gardens. If you are booking rooms at Talakona or Ontimita, select the respective location and proceed. Choose the date based on your travel plan and continue with the booking. If you are booking a room with a darshan ticket, room availability will be shown only for 2 dates: the day before your darshan date and the darshan date itself. If your darshan date falls on the first day of month, availability will be shown only for that single date. The previous day will not be available because it belongs to the previous month where booking would have already been completed. If you hold a darshan ticket and want to book accommodation at Tirupati or Tirumala, you must select the option marked exclusively for ticket holders. After selecting your location, the system will redirect you to your booking history. Choose your darshan ticket and click on the book accommodation button shown below it. You will again be taken to the calendar page. Reselect your location, choose your check-in slot and then select your date. There are 4 check-in slots available and they are displayed in the video now. These time slots are meant only for scanning your room receipt at the time of check-in. They do not mean that you can stay in the room for only those 6 hours. It is mandatory to scan your room receipt within your selected check-in slot. Even a delay of 1 second will result in automatic cancellation of your booking and no request or explanations will be accepted. Therefore, select your check-in slot very carefully. After selecting the check-in slot, location, number of pilgrims and date, you will be asked to choose the room tariff. If Tirumala is selected, you will only choose the room tariff. If Tirupati is selected, you can choose both the guest house and the tariff. Complete room tariff details and facilities available at all TTD locations are displayed clearly in this video now. This information will help you plan better and choose the room that suits your needs. Click the continue button, select the details of 2 pilgrims and proceed to payment. No general or personal details need to be entered because the system will automatically fetch them from your darshan ticket. If you are booking a room without a darshan ticket, you must manually enter general and personal details. Therefore, keep all required information ready before booking begins. Payment can be completed using UPI, net banking, or credit and debit cards. After successful payment, your room will be booked and a booking reference number will be displayed. You will also see an option to download your room receipt. You can download the receipt immediately or later from your booking history under the accommodation section. If you have booked a room at Tirumala, your room receipt must be scanned at the ARP counter at the CRO office in Tirumala during the check-in time slot you selected. After the room receipt is scanned, the room will be allotted automatically by the system based on the current availability and the tariff you have chosen. Because of this system based allocation, you cannot request a specific guest house, a guest house near the temple, or any change to the room once it is allotted. After scanning the room receipt, you will receive an SMS within 15 minutes to the registered mobile number. This message will contain the guest house name, the room number, the time limit within which you must check in, and a Google Maps link for easy navigation. Once you arrive at the guest house, only the persons whose names are on the room receipt need to submit the room receipt and the Aadhaar cards at the reception. The staff will verify your details, record your mobile number, take a webcam photo, and then provide a fresh slip along with the room keys. You are allowed to stay in the room for 24 hours starting from the time your room receipt is scanned at the guest house. If you have selected the Tirupati location, you must scan the room receipt directly at the reception of the selected guest house. Only the persons whose names are on the room receipt need to submit the room receipt and their Aadhaar cards at the reception, after which the same verification and photo process will be completed. At Tirupati as well, rooms are allotted automatically by the system based on availability. Therefore, once a room is allotted, requests for room changes will not be accepted under any circumstances. Even if you booked a room at Madhavam Guest House, you must first go to Srinivasam Rest House for check-in. After completing check-in there, you will be directed to Madhavam Guest House for your stay, which is located next to Srinivasam Rest House. Although only two names are used during the booking process, any number of persons can stay in the allotted room according to your convenience. At the reception, you will be asked how many males and females will be staying in the room, and you can provide this information at that time. However, it is compulsory that at least one person whose name appears on the room receipt must be present at the time of check-in. Only the persons mentioned on the room receipt are permitted to receive the room, and the receptionist will strictly verify their identity. In addition, a minimum of two persons must be physically present at the time of receiving the room key. If this condition is not met, the room will not be allotted. If you need the room for one more day, you must ask for the extension on the very first day when you collect the room key. Room extension is allowed only if rooms are available. If your request is approved, you will either have to pay the extra one day rent at the time of checkout, or the amount will be deducted from your caution deposit. Rooms cannot be extended beyond the second day under any circumstances. At the time of checkout, the same person who checked in and had their photo taken must return their room key and room slip at the reception. A photo will be taken again while vacating the room. The caution deposit will be refunded only if the checkout photo matches the original check-in photo. If the photos do not match, the deposit will not be refunded. So the person who took the photo and received the key at the time of check-in must return the key and took photo at the time of checkout. The caution deposit will be credited to your bank account within 3 to 7 working days. You will also receive an SMS confirmation after a successful checkout. If 6 or more people are traveling to Tirupati or Tirumala and you need 2 or more rooms, you must plan this before booking your darshan tickets. For example, you can book tickets for 3 persons using one mobile number login and tickets for the remaining 3 persons using another mobile number login. By doing this, you become eligible to book 2 rooms, 1 room per mobile number login. Remember that at least a darshan ticket for 2 persons must be booked together under the same mobile number to qualify for online room booking. When booking one or more rooms at Tirumala, the rooms may be allotted in different guest houses because the system assigns accommodation randomly. When booking multiple rooms in Tirupati, the rooms will be allotted in the guest house you selected during booking. The most important rule is that only one TTD room can be booked using a single mobile number login within a 30-day period. A new room can be booked with the same mobile number only after 30 days have passed from the date you vacated the previous room. This 30-day gap rule applies to both online and offline room bookings made with the same mobile number. Even if you cancel a room after booking, the 30-day restriction still applies. Therefore, before booking darshan tickets with the mobile number, make sure no room has been booked using that number in the past 30 days. Only then you will be able to book a room. Once accommodation is booked, the check-in slot or date cannot be changed under any circumstances. The cancellation option is available up to 2 days before the booking date. You may cancel at any time within this period. After that, cancellation will not be allowed. For example, if your room is booked for the 21st, you may cancel it at any time until the 18th. After the 18th, cancellation will be disabled. If you cancel within the allowed time, both the room rent and the caution deposit will be fully refunded without any deduction. If you do not cancel and fail to use the room on the book date, or if you miss to avail the room Within the check-in time slot, only the caution deposit will be refunded and room rent will not be refunded. We hope this video helped you clearly understand the TTD accommodation booking rules and procedures for Tirumala and Tirupati. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues so they can also benefit from this information. Wishing you all a very happy darshan of Tirupati Balaji. Thank you for watching and we will meet again in another useful and informative video.